Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Cryptocurrency bill in Parliament. Government intends to create official digital currency prohibit private players. The central government has proposed to present a bill on cryptocurrency in the upcoming winter season of Parliament to facilitate creation of official digital currency to be issued by the Reserve Bank of India. The bill titled the Cryptocurrency and Regulation of Official Digital Currency Bill 2021 will be up for introduction and passing in Parliament. According to a Parliament bulletin, the stated intent of the bill is to create a facilitative framework for creation of the official digital currency to be issued by the Reserve Bank of India. The bill also seeks to prohibit all private cryptocurrencies in India. However, it allows for certain exceptions to promote the underlying technology of cryptocurrency and its uses. Top sources in the government have been indicating that the India might not shut itself completely to the concept and technology involving digital currency and not take a strident stand like China. The first indication that the government was hunting to set the picture right with safeguards related to cryptocurrencies came on November 18. A source said that the popularity of crypto, despite the volatility and risk involved, has signaled that digital currency can be a source of revenue for the government. Once bitten, Apple sues NSO Group for breaking into their products. Tech giant Apple announced Tuesday it is suing Israel NSO Group, seeking to block the world's most infamous hacker for hire company from breaking into Apple's product like the iPhone. Apple said in a complaint filed in a federal court in California that NSO Group employees are amoral 21st century mercenaries who have created highly sophisticated cyber surveillance machinery that invites routine and flagrant abuse. Apple said NSO Group's spyware called Pegasus had been used to attack a small number of Apple customers worldwide. State-sponsored actors like the NSO Group spend millions of dollars for sophisticated surveillance technologies without effective accountability. That needs to change, said Craig Federighi, Apple's senior vice president of software engineering. NSO Group has broadly denied wrongdoing and said its products have been used by governments to save lives. Pedophiles and terrorists can free operate in technological safe havens, and we provide governments the lawful tools to fight it. NSO Group will continue to advocate for the truth, the company said in a statement. UP's Amethi set to make AK-203 Kalashnikov assault rifles as India-Russia aim pact. Ahead of the Uttar Pradesh Assembly election scheduled for next year, Amethi is set to emerge as a hub for the manufacturing of AK-203 assault rifles. The Ministry of Defense on Tuesday cleared the deal between Russia and India to manufacture 6 lakhs AK-203 assault rifles at a new factory in Amethi. A final decision in this regard was taken by the Defense Acquisition Council ahead of Russia President Vladimir Putin's visit Russia to India. As part of the joint venture, as many as 6 lakh AK-203 assault rifles will be manufactured at a unit in Amethi for the Indian Army Infantry Forces Derivative AK-47, which part of the Kalashnikov assault rifle family. The AK-203 will replace the INSAS rifle as the standard issue for Indian Army personnel. It is important to note that the Indian Army Rashtriya Rifles units and infantry regiments are some of the largest users of Kalashnikovs.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.